Hi, I'm Debbie with Scientific Industries, and we're here today to talk about our mini-orbital shakers. We have two models here on display, and we have the Mini 100, which will go up to, by name, up to 100 RPM. And then we have our Mini 300, which will go up to 300 RPM. So let's take a look at some of the differences in what makes the Orbital Genies different from any other orbital shakers on the market. Before we go any further, let's put our safety glasses on. Okay, so the Mini 100. If you notice here, we have a black non-slip mat, which allows for easy removal, but securely holds the containers on up to 100 RPM. If I turn the unit on, we'll start out slow and get it to the speed that we want to be working with. It's great for doing Western blot applications, whether you're doing an incubation or wash. One of the important things, you don't want to have any kind of spillage onto your bench. So with the design of the drip lip here, it contains any minor spills or leaky containers. So you have limited bench space. What do? Do you have to buy another orbital shaker? Or if you bought the Orbital Genie Mini 100, we have an accessory tray. So no tools required. Take your second tray, place it on the unit, place your containers on, and turn the unit on. And if you notice, both have a drip lip, so any minor spillage would be contained. Then we have over here our Mini 300. We have three models in the Mini 300 series. This model here is the one with the adhering mat. With the adhering mat, you don't need flask clamps. So you can run this, and I'm gonna turn it all the way up to 300 RPM, and you'll notice the containers do not move. They're held very, very securely. So we're showing it right now with the second tier attachable tray. So what do you do when you only want to run it with a single tray? Well, the additional tray is an accessory, but simply remove your containers. If you notice how I'm very carefully releasing the adhesion, and you'll notice here with the rack, it's very, very secure. So for right now, we're just gonna leave that on, but I could just remove the tubes and keep that on permanently if I'm frequently using the rack. So to remove it, just release at the bottom, no tools required, by pulling out the legs. Set it down. If you chose, you could remove the cleanable adhering mat. Underneath the adhering mat is your flask clamp platform. So you could be utilizing the unit in a versatile way.